All right, this video is for the coin holder replacement mod on newer generation Ford vehicles you see listed here. For older generations, see my other videos. All right, the coin holder will come out if you apply the right amount of pressure. It will just pop out, but you can see here there are 4 tabs, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. You can also use a trim removal tool to go in there and depress those clips and it will come out very easily. Just do use a soft blade. You can pick them up on Amazon or wrap a cloth around a blade to make sure that you don't damage your dash. You don't need to worry about these dummy wires. You can tuck them inside. Here is the new piece. You can see it also has matching clips. There'll be 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And then it is really just as simple as lining that up and just pushing it into place. There is a link to purchase in the description. Thanks for watching.